The demon's contract. Ethan Bell was desperate. His mother lay in a hospital bed, her life slipping away with each passing day. The doctors had given up hope, and Ethan's savings were long gone. One rainy night, while drowning his sorrows in the dim light of his study, he stumbled upon an old book in his late father's collection. The book, bound in cracked leather, was titled, Pacts of the Beyond. Intrigued and with nothing left to lose, Ethan opened the book and found it filled with arcane symbols and detailed instructions for summoning a demon. The text promised power, wealth, and even life itself in exchange for a contract. Driven by despair, Ethan decided to give it a try. He gathered the required items: black candles, a silver dagger, and a vial of his own blood. Following the instructions to the letter, he drew a complex circle on the floor and lit the candles.